Alright, so it's Saturday here at the tiny house. It's Sunday up at the tiny house, and we just packed up to go home, and I was up here with my granddaughter and my daughter, and we did a couple of tasks around the place. One of them was I had left the water heater in last year, which I did the year before, and it obviously had the same result. Winter froze those little lines that are in there and burst them, so I had to buy a new one, which is kind of dumb at $120 a year. Should probably just remember to pull that down, but by the time I remembered and thought about pulling it down, it was already froze. So that said, we put in the new water heater this year, which, FYI, the new one, I don't think the other one was actually working right. This one works perfect. My water pressure is way higher, the temperature is way better, the controls on it are way more responsive. So I think that last year's water heater was not very good, but I will say this, it was 95 up here, and it was wonderful taking a shower this weekend. So we had a couple good showers in, slept awesome. We ran the generator this weekend instead of solar. But this video is going to show you replacing the water heater once again. Kind of a repeat video. I think if you go back 20 or 30 videos, you'd probably see it happening twice, but I will say this, Natalie helped me with it. It went smooth as silk, and voila, we have showers again. So it's hot. I haven't been up here for 4 or 5 months, so I knew I was facing a ton of work. So now I don't have to be afraid of coming up. I can get my showers in. I can come up after work and still get a shower, and we'll fill the water up this weekend. And so we're up and running. I'm gonna try to make it up here every week now, right till the end of December. So look for a video a week, maybe 2 hopefully, depending on how many projects we take on. But one of the biggest projects that I left off in March was I was going to remodel the kitchen. Still going to do that. Got a sink for it already. We're going to put in the floors here in the next coming weeks. We're going to trim out all the windows. So my goal is by September to have a 100% done, come and relax tiny house with no little projects left to go except for the ones that I choose. And then probably looking at starting the tiny 2 right around that same September, October stretch. So, new tiny house to build on the land. Wrapping up this tiny house here by September. Hope you enjoy the videos to come. This one is replacing one of my poor decisions from last fall, and Natalie did a great job, so thanks for watching.